In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VAN9003 Valorant error in Windows 11. So if you're getting this error, okay, as you can see over here on my screen or something similar, I'm going to show you how to fix it. And now the way to do this is to run Valorant in compatibility mode. And the way you do this is simply by finding the Valorant icon on your desktop, and you want to right click on it and then select show more options. Then you want to click properties. And then there's a bunch of tabs on there, and you want to go to the compatibility tab. And once you click on that, you want to look for the run the program in compatibility mode 4, and then you want to click that, and then you want to select the previous version of Windows from the drop down menu. So make sure it's not your current version of the Windows, but you want to have the previous version. And then once you've done that, you want to click apply and then press OK. And then you want to restart your computer and then try running Valorant again, and hopefully this fixed your error.